everyone. My name is Harshita. My qualification is BTech. I belong to Hyderabad. So my father's name is Anand. He is a software project leader. Currently he is working in the Infosys company. My mother's name is Sunita. She is a homemaker. I have one sibling. His name is Yashwant. He completed his intermediate. Now I would like to give a small speech about parents and how my parents took care of me since my childhood. Firstly, I would like to give a small statement, some of the sentences about parents. So parents play a vital role in every children's life. They are the role model in every children's lives. So they teach us what's wrong and what's right and provide us with love and support. So firstly, my father used to work in a lecturer in a college, and also he used to do part-time job in the software company, in a small startup software company. He faced many difficulties and also all the obstacles in his life. Even though he faced many obstacles in his life, he taught us very important life lessons. So coming to my mother, even my mother is a homemaker. Even though she is a homemaker, she taught us very much of life lessons which she experienced from her childhood. So I learned a lot and in my life from that life lessons. So actually my goal is to become as a data analyst. So one day definitely I will reach my goal and make my parents feel proud and also happy. So one thing I want to say about parents and conclude is, all the parents are equal to God. So respect them and fulfill their wishes. So that is one of the biggest gift in which one can give to their parents. So that's all about the parents. Now I would like to share my experience in this institute. So before, actually I don't know how to speak English. I know only 30% of English. I speak English but in a butler English. So my father decided to join me in a best institute. So he searched a lot in Hyderabad, which is a best institute and good institute to learn English. So one day he came into this A.S. Reddy Sir's institute and he saw how Sir was teaching, and my father was impressed by the way of Sir's teaching. So he immediately joined me in this institute, and also he joined my brother also in this institute. So first day when I entered in this institute, I observed a lot how Sir was teaching, the way of explanation of Sir, and also the tricks and tips in which Sir was saying. So I was also impressed by the Sir's teaching. From the first day onwards, I started learning English very hard. So finally, now I am able to speak English perfectly and fluently up to 90% of the mark. Before, I spoke only up to 30%. Now I am able to speak up to 90% of the English. This credit goes to Mr. A.S. Reddy Sir. I was very thankful and grateful to the Sir. So thank you very much, Sir, for giving me this wonderful English teaching, and your way of teaching is very good, Sir. Really, I was impressed by your teaching, Sir. Thank you very much, Sir. So I would like to thank my parents and also Sir for making me teach English. Now I would like to share my experiences in this institute in Telugu. యాక్చువల్ గా నేను ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వక ముందు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడేదాన్ని, కానీ అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేది కాదు. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను ఏదైతే మాట్లాడానో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో అదంతా A.S. Reddy Sir క్రెడిట్, అండ్ మా పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఎవరైతే నన్ను ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేయించారో. సో అందుకనే నేను సార్ కి చాలా థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ గా ఉన్నాను, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా మాట్లాడగలుగుతున్నాను. సో సార్ గోల్ ఏంటంటే 1 lakh పీపుల్ కి ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పించడం. సో ఐ విష్ సార్ డెఫినెట్లీ రీచ్ వన్ డే హిస్ గోల్, సో దట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సార్ గోల్ నెరవేర్చుకుంటారని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. సో చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ కి, అండ్ సార్ కూడా 1 lakh ప్లస్ పీపుల్ కి నేర్పించాలనుకుంటున్నారు. So thank you for your kind attention. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.